Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something that we all love, sheet mask. Now we all know that sheet mask can work wonders for our skin, but did you know that there are few common mistakes that people make while using them? That's right. In this video I'm going to share with you the top 5 mistakes that you should avoid when using a sheet mask. So grab your favorite sheet mask and let's get started. Mistake number 1, not prepping the skin properly. Before applying a sheet mask, it's essential to cleanse and tone your face. This not only removes any dirt and oil from your skin, but it also helps to create an ideal canvas for the mask to work its magic. So make sure to cleanse and tone before diving into your sheet mask routine. Mistake number 2, leaving the sheet mask on for too long. While it's tempting to leave the sheet mask on for hours, it's actually not recommended. Most sheet masks are designed to be worn for about 10 to 20 minutes, and leaving them on for longer can actually lead to reverse effects like dryness or irritation. So set a timer and stick to the recommended time frame for maximum benefits. Mistake number 3, not adjusting the sheet mask properly. Now this is commonly a mistake that many people make. It's crucial to adjust the sheet mask properly to fit the contour of your face. This ensures that all the beneficial ingredients are in direct contact with your skin. So take your time while applying the mask, smooth out any wrinkle or air bubbles, and make sure it fits for the best results. Mistake number 4, skipping the post-mask routine. Once you remove the sheet mask, don't forget to seal in all goodness with your favorite moisturizer. This step helps to lock in the hydration and keeps your skin plump and glowing fast, so don't skip this crucial step. And mistake number 5, not using sheet mask regularly. Sheet masks work best when incorporated into a constant skincare routine. Using them once in a while won't provide you with long-lasting results. Aim to use a sheet mask at least once or twice a week, and you'll notice a visual improvement in your skin texture and overall appearance. And there you have it, the most 5 mistakes to avoid when using a sheet mask. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.